Thank you for your interest in this course, Introduction to Careers in the Field of Information Technology, a presentation of Coding Boot Camps. We're going to look at practical career roadmaps for IT professionals. My name is Jim Sullivan, and I am a senior blockchain instructor at DC Webmakers. I'm also a software engineer, and I work with blockchain development teams. I do DevOps, cloud, application development, and the safe, agile methodology. The blockchain platforms I specialize in are Hyperledger, Ethereum, and Corda. There are no prerequisites for this course. So here are the topics that we're going to cover in this class. We'll have an overview of the field of computer science and information technology, or IT. We'll look at web design and development topics and jobs. We will look at software engineering topics and job opportunities. We'll also look at mobile application development topics and career opportunities. We are going to look at system administration topics and the jobs that are available, cloud technology topics and some of the jobs that are available in the job environment, and blockchain technology topics and jobs. So what are you going to take away from this course? Well, you'll get that full overview of the IT field and, again, career opportunities. After you take this course, you may be interested in follow-up classes. So we have Introduction to HTML and CSS, Introduction to Database Design, Introduction to Python Programming, Blockchain Development and Blockchain Technology, Introduction to Cybersecurity, and Introduction to Cloud Technology. Please check back with DC Webmakers or Coding Boot Camps for more information on all of these courses. Thank you again for your interest. And again, this is a presentation of Coding Boot Camps, and we'll see you in the next course.